Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials and then begin the upgrade. Check that your PC has at least 2 GB RAM and 20 GB free. Make sure drivers are current. Once done, back up critical files using file history or an external drive and pause cloud syncing and antivirus to avoid interference. Now download the Windows 10 Update Assistant or the official 1703 ISO image and verify its hash. Make sure the account has admin rights, then run the Update Assistant to begin the in-place upgrade. You now perform the detailed installation and watch for issues. Run the Update Assistant and select Keep Personal Files and Apps so your settings and programs remain. This reduces post-upgrade work. During setup, allow automatic reboots and watch Device Manager for driver installs or warnings. If processes bog the CPU, open Task Manager and close heavy apps. Keep your laptop plugged into power and maintain a stable network connection. If prompted, approve driver or firmware updates. These often fix compatibility problems and improve stability. You finish the upgrade and validate system health. Complete any out-of-box experience prompts, then open Windows Update and install all cumulative patches released after 1703 to stay current. Verify Windows activation and check Device Manager. If drivers are missing, download the vendor versions and reinstall. If you see corruption or broken system files, run dism/online/cleanup image and then sfc/scano to repair. If something still fails, boot into safe mode and either uninstall the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.